Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See, after I think 1 week, I'm again starting to upload the HPSC course. Okay, so inshallah, I will try to be continue. See, in this tutorial, I will just this is the continuation, okay, of previous lecture. So I request you that if you have not watched, then go and watch my previous tutorial. Okay, so here I already created the floor plan and ceiling plan in previous session. Okay, so now we will continue. See, I'm on ground floor, finished floor level. Okay, here, so here there is no any room tag, right? But before that I need the elevation. Okay, so let me check the elevation. Annotation, spot elevation, right? Here elevation is coming 150 mm. Okay, but I am on ground floor, finished floor level. It must come 00, right? Because we take the ground floor 00 and after that go up and down. Okay, so what I will do here, just come and here I will select project base point. It is select elevation base. Okay, so elevation base I will set here the relative. Okay, and done. Now it is relative elevation and it will show the 0, so it is fine. Okay, no longer required. Similarly, if I will come on ground floor ceiling level here, then check the elevation. Yes, fine. See, 2935. This is the ceiling level elevation. Okay, fine. All the elevation I think fine. Create similar. No, this elevation is different. Here it is okay. Okay, here elevation is different. Okay, here, okay, this is also different. Entrance is also different. Okay, the elevation only. And corridor as well. See, oh, and lift lobby also. Yes, this is lift lobby. I will tell you. Okay, so all elevation is almost different. Some ceiling elevation is different. Okay, almost see 2925. So we will check. Select instant visible, enter and delete. Okay, so now I'm sure that all the elevation almost same and some is different. Okay, so no issue. First, see, this is the ceiling. Okay, tiles type. Okay, here we can see. I will show you. Tab. No, it's not coming. Okay. Okay. See. So this side one is the plain ceiling. Okay. Compound ceiling plain type, like POP, Paris of plaster or gypsum board. Okay, this one. And in middle, they set the tiles type 600 by 600. We can also check. Or better, if I will come here, let the delete this section here. No. Okay, so go to 3D directly. Okay, in 3D, first set the elevation level. Okay, I turn off and I select the section box. Okay, this is here. I will turn the section box and come here and coordination, right? Which one? I think, okay, this. So this is the room. Okay, so see, in side one is the plane, and in middle is compound ceiling 600 by 600. Okay, see, this is the one, right? So what I will do here, in real how it's look like. Okay, so I will show you here. See, this is the image, just for information. Okay, see, it will look like this type. Okay, so here in the middle it is tiles, removable ceiling, and side by side is the gypsum. Okay, so this type of ceiling, first I have to decide what I will use here. Okay, like FCU or that one is the different, but for the air terminal, which type of air terminal I'm gonna to install here. Okay, so it will totally depend on the ceiling types and architecture layout. Okay, so the architecture, they give the side by side plane and in between the tiles. Okay, so this one, so I can use in the middle this diffuser. Okay, square diffuser, fine. Okay, here, so it is clear. Here we can use the diffuser. Okay, and here if you check, after that if you check, see, this is to basement, and after that this is the floor. So here no ceiling. See, no ceiling here. So if there is no any ceiling, then how it will looks like in real life. See, like restaurant, okay, cafe. So in there almost there they install no any ceiling, okay. So that type of location we use this type decorative type of cassette, uh, like a cassette unit, okay, FCU type, okay. This is cassette type decorative, okay. This is okay, and use the dot and in color, okay, black. So it's look like a decorative type and premium look, give premium look, okay. So if there is no any ceiling, we try to use the decorative type of units, whatever the units, okay, but it must be decorative type. And third one here, see here it is side by side is the gypsum, okay, right, and in middle here in middle is the wood, okay. This is wood ceiling, here compound ceiling wood, okay. So how it will look like in real life, see here is the image, okay. So this is the ceiling, this is, see this is in between the room, it is the wood ceiling and side by side is the gypsum, okay. So in that type of ceiling we use this linear slot diffuser, okay. Here we use linear slot diffuser so that it looks premium, okay. Now next if you see here, this is also the same, okay. Now next if you see this area, okay. So let's check also, so this area here, see this is the gypsum, okay. We can check here, okay. This is compound ceiling plan, okay, but it is bulky type, see, and also here not much gap between slab, the concrete slab and the ceiling, okay. So also we cannot place our diffuser, neither our unit, okay. So in this type of space we see how it will looks like in real life. Here this type of ceiling we can see in mostly hotels, okay. Here this type of ceiling we can see mostly in hotels, okay. Here this type of ceiling mostly we can see in hotels, and here it is, okay. So this is bulky type ceiling, and after that then go up, and this is the ceiling. So this type of ceiling we mostly use this like ear bar grill, okay. So ear bar grill is mostly two types. I already explained in my diffuser uh, videos, so if you have not watched, then go and watch that one video also. Okay, so diffuse like air, like linear bar grill is two types. One is register and other one is the grill. Okay, so if it is with like a control damper, then it will called register, and without control damper it will called the grills. Okay, so here we use the linear bar grill, like mostly uh, yes, linear bar grill. Okay, register. Okay, and back side is our unit. Okay, and here we place the linear bar grill, and this is the room, right? So now it is clear. Here we can place our unit, and with the duct here we can place our linear bar grill. Okay, same types also, if it is big, then also here we can place our unit, and here we can place our linear bar grill. So both side the air will supply inside the room. Okay, so this is the type of ceiling. Okay, mostly we face in the project. So according to the ceiling we have to select our terminal and machines. Okay, so I hope you understand and learn some skills. Okay, so if you know something, learn something, then yes, please subscribe. Okay, and next video also we will be continue. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.